Hello FLLS fam, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Maru, lifestyle blogger and content creator, and here on the channel I share all things home decor, beauty, fashion, and so much more. Heavy on the home organization and decor, as some of you may know. We are in the bathroom today, honey, and I am bringing you along with me as I make over my guest bathroom with a mix of modern colors and eclectic textures and patterns, natural, neutral elements, honey, to create this guest bathroom space that is a tropical oasis for my guests. And most importantly, for the lovely lady when she is here, my mom. This is a plain bathroom, white walls, no paint yet, no painting today, still deciding on colors, but I'm going to focus on creating a very modern, clean, minimal Caribbean oasis, honey, okay? We just gonna keep it real simple today. We'll paint later, maybe we could do that for the fall. However, I want to say this. I'm going to be incorporating some items that I cannot link down below. Things that I have, repurposed, spray painted back in the apartment. Some Tabitha Brown collection stuff that's sold out already. She still has a couple items on the site. So I'll link whatever I can. But don't be mad at me if you cannot find the items in the description box that you see in the video. I'm going to link everything that is still available in stores or online. All right? Now let's go ahead without further ado and get this party started. Let's go. Ain't got no rod up. Jesus. that's a wrap, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. You did not have to take the time to watch, but you did. And for that, I am truly grateful. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.